Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is a tip request question from an applicant asking all about how to differentiate classes, science classes where the lab and the lecture were combined in one course versus where the lab was a separate course in PTCAS when you are finalizing your PTCAS transcript entry. So let's go through and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. This is a pretty specific question, but I know there's going to be other applicants who have this question in the future. So thanks to this applicant for posting this one. So we go academic history, go to transcript entry, then we're going to go to review and finalize my transcripts. And then you're going to click the institution. Then it asks you, did you take any lab courses? Select yes if you took science classes that were lab only or lecture with lab, okay? So then you have these two different tabs that you can select, lab only or lecture with lab. So this Bio 100 class was a lecture with a lab. So I'm going to click that. And then at the bottom, this is my Physics 105. This was the lecture portion. So there's nowhere I'm going to click that. But there was a separate lab, and this was just the lab only. So then I'm going to click that, okay? And obviously I didn't put in all of my classes there. This is just to give you an example of some different ways that it would be included. If you are unsure of how your classes break down, please go back through, look at your transcript, and if you're still not sure, you can go back and look at the catalog of the courses using your university's search bar, and you should be able to pull up the courses and look at the course description. And from there, it should give you an idea of whether or not the lab was included or if it was just a lab-only course if you have additional questions. But it should be pretty obvious just by looking at your transcript as you enter it yourself. Hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have additional questions like this one, don't forget to submit them to us via our Instagram story on Tip Request Tuesday. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Thanks so much and happy applying.